Hello everyone, this is Dr. Megha Chaturvedi, your skin and hair specialist and founder of C Ayurveda. Today we will discuss how we can fix our hair with just a few effective and trusted products. Hair loss can be a distressing experience for both men and women. For many, it's not just a physical change but also an emotional one. In case you are also suffering from dandruff, hair fall or hair loss, then this video is specially for you. Though there are many brands and products in market claiming to be the best for your hair, but in that case you need to be aware about what you are actually applying over your hair and scalp. Like in C Ayurveda, we also make sure for you to know what we are actually using in our product. So let us talk about how you can easily solve your hair issue with just using the correct products with correct ingredients in it. The very first product is Scalp Exfoliating Serum. It has some powerful ingredients like salicylic acid and Dentalix Pro, which is basically added to remove the dead skin of the scalp and rejuvenate it. Now let us talk about what it does to your hair. It exfoliates gently. Salicylic acid gently removes dead skin cells, promoting a clearer and smoother scalp. Dentalix Pro regulates sebum production, preventing greasiness and promoting a balanced scalp environment. Treats dandruff. Say goodbye to flakes, embarrassing dandruff with the powerful antifungal properties of Dentalix Pro. Next is seborrheic dermatitis treatment. Soothe and elevate the symptoms of seborrheic dermatitis, including redness and inflammation for a calmer and healthier scalp. Now its usage. On clean, dry hair and scalp, apply a few drops of serum directly onto the scalp and the hairline area. After that, gently massage the serum into the scalp using your fingertips. Always apply it 1 to 2 hours before washing your hair. The next product is Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo. It has been crafted to combat hair fall and improve the quality of your hair from root to tip. It has Redensyl, which works to promote thicker and healthier hair, restoring confidence and vitality in your hair. Now let us talk about what it actually does to your hair. Number 1, it hydrates and cleanses. It formulated with natural ingredients. Our shampoo hydrates and cleanses the hair, leaving it feeling fresh with revitalized with each wash. Second, it reduces hair fall. Our advanced formula is scientifically proven to reduce hair fall by strengthening hair strands and minimizing breakage, helping you maintaining strong, healthy hair. Number 3, sulfate and paraben. Free formula, free from harsh chemical, our shampoo offers a gentle yet effective cleansing experience suitable for even the most sensitive scalp. Now how to use it. Firstly, wet your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water, then take an adequate amount of anti-hair fall shampoo into your palm. Massage the shampoo gently into your scalp and lather. Allow the shampoo to sit for a few minutes, then thoroughly wash with water. The most powerful product is C Ayurveda Hair Growth Serum. This is our revolutionary hair growth serum which made in a way to achieve strong, vibrant hair and a revitalized scalp. Redensyl as a magical ingredient. At the heart of our formula lies the magical ingredient. Redensyl, a revolutionary compound clinically proven to stimulate hair growth. By targeting hair follicles at the root, it promotes hair density and thickness, helping you achieve fuller, healthier looking hair in no time. Redensyl, a revolutionary compound clinically proven to stimulate hair growth. By targeting hair follicles at the root, it promotes hair density and thickness, helping you achieve fuller, healthier looking hair in no time. Prevents premature graying. Experience the joy of youthful looking hair as our serum helps prevent premature graying of the hair. With regular use, you can maintain your hair natural color and vibrancy, recalming your confidence with every application. Clinically proven effectiveness. Our serum is rigorously tested and clinically proven to deliver results, making it a trusted choice for individuals seeking to enhance hair growth and overall hair health. How to use it? Start with clean, dry hair and scalp. Take a few drops of hair growth serum and apply directly onto the scalp and hairline area. Gently massage the serum using your fingertips and leave the serum for overnight for optimal results. So basically, these are the products that you can use if you are suffering from severe hair loss or hair fall or even dandruff. Also, these products are formulated with care and backed by scientific research which proves that it is free from harsh chemical, parabens and sulfate, ensuring a safe and gentle experience for your scalp and hair. For more information regarding it, you can visit our website and get a free hair test, and after that you can order these products. Also, you can buy these products at C Ayurveda and you can feel the happy and healthier hair like you have never felt before. Till then, thank you and take care.